Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify identity. Your action could not be completed because a server error. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone when you log in your Apple ID on App Store and facing this issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your settings on your iPhone, click on your Apple ID, and guys after this simply first of all you have to click on sign in and security, and guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, page is unloading. So guys, simply you have to wait, and guys here you will find the option of Gmail. So guys, must you have to verify your Gmail address. So guys, if not verified, then guys you need to verify first, and guys after this you need to turn on your two-factor authentication, and guys you need to verify your phone number as well on your Apple ID, and guys after this you need to turn on this automatic verification, and after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your Apple ID again, scroll it below and sign to your Apple ID, and guys after this you need to sign in again, and after this you need to go back. So guys, simply you have to scroll it below, and guys you need to open your general options, scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your network settings, and guys after this you need to check for update. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your iPhone, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.